Just state the name. Just state the name and then continue to the story.
Alright, so Diallo Gordon, Downsoul Entertainment. So, from today, came at the office around, I'd say 11:20. Thought it was an earthquake at first or someone dropped on the roof. You know, we have a little construction going on the yard. Come outside, realized that, what do you call that, premix, concrete truck. Starting from, I don't know if I can turn the camera down the road. Starting from, I'd say where the red truck is down there. Came out of one of the construction sites and pulled down the first pole. Dragged the rest, uprooted this metal pole behind me. And then, walk with me. I could just show you the scene. As you can see, we have some private damage going on over here. The personal or the private light post inside the office, the sign, as well as you can see right now. But there's a metal pole down there taking on the Starlink. So around, I would say 11:30, office members tried to contact at first 119, as we assumed they would get through to all of the relevant personnel that we needed. There was a fire that broke out on the light post itself as it was touching up with a bit of tree, greenery. Someone from the next door had to actually run out with the fire extinguisher out that fire. We tried, but at that point we didn't get there. Took them around 45 minutes, I believe, to an hour to actually get on the scene. Flo came here first to do a quick survey, then called actually the rest of the team. The fire department got here at probably 45-50 minutes. We had to call around 3, 4, 5. The police, they came by. I think they looked at the scene and I don't see them on the scene right now that are actually here. But the problem I'm having, we need some quicker service. The road has been blocked since 11:30. It's over an hour now. This is the best, it's not for sure. At being the road, directing traffic. They've never trained for this in the last school. I'm not like it. It's just a quick skill we just pick up on the roadside. I know park here on the road. But, fun and joke aside, persons aren't listening. You have to have some service personnel on the scene. You see me in this, they're not stopping. At least 2 persons go some tire trying to go over what do you call this? A metal light, I guess it's a grounding pole, I don't know what you use it for. However, we need some service. Because right now we're looking at this, we have to go do all this fix inside. Because JPS, they only work on public ground and private. So we have to go invoice, try and fix it, hopefully soon. Right now, I mean, not want to complain about having to leave work. However, we can't come back because there's no light on the compound, and as far as we can see, there won't be light here for at least a week or at least until this is resolved. We need better service, we need better help. The response time for the service personnel, it's way too slow. Honestly, there could have been a lot more backup. Imagine if this was after work. Right now, we would have full traffic on one of the most public, or I would say public minor road in New Kingston. So, that's all we have to say. And premix, you need to come and fix this up. See how them thing, yeah? When me at that's why we not go work for Monday, yesterday. I run.